Hey everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for checking out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2018 Forest River Rockwood A122. We're going to start off on the interior and I'll finish off on the outside. Let's go inside. Hey everybody, welcome to the interior here. You can see this is a booth with a freestanding table so you can take that inside or outside. Right now it's made up mostly into the bed, so we just need to move these cushions in and we've got the bed, the second bed, ready to go. If we look at the other end, this is the main sleeping area, and on top of it right now you can see some of the accessories that come with this trailer. This is the barbecue. It comes with it, it's brand new, it's a nice barbecue. Mounts on the outside, and I'll show you where it mounts here in a little bit, but it's a great feature. This is just really your manuals, your paperwork, keys, and that kind of stuff that comes with the trailer. This here is a table. It mounts on that same bracket that the barbecue mounts on outside, and it's just to be used for prep, that kind of stuff, outside. And then this here is a hanging shelf. See, you've got some shelves here, and it clips in right here and just hangs here. It's a nice little feature as well. Below, we've actually got really good storage here below this bed. We've got a porta potty, and in that bag there is the 30 amp power cord that comes with this trailer. But there's a lot of additional room down there. Most of this stuff on top of this bed is typically stored down there. Over here we've got the 3-burner stove. I love this new flush mounted top. It looks great, it's very usable. Got a hot and cold sink here. Down below here we've got a fridge. And then we've got decent storage here. We've got storage below the sink. Across from us over below the microwave we've also got a drawer. And then here below the first booth we've also got a cabinet door that goes all the way to the front there and gives you quite a bit of storage. And remember, when this thing is lowered down, you can use this walk area here for additional storage while you're traveling. Here on the outside you can see we do have the large grab handle for getting in and out, makes life real easy. You've got some 110 power there, outside speaker. Here's your antenna for the AM/FM stereo. This is that rail I was talking about. This is where your barbecue will mount, and that table. And your barbecue can tie in here to the onboard propane. So no reason to bring extra propane bottles with you. You can just use what you've got on board. This here is the storage underneath the bed. As we move around back, we've got a full-size spare tire, a Wi-Fi extender, and I love this storage over here. It's this pull-out tray that just makes it nice. It's really hard to get to that heavy stuff sometimes that's buried way in there, and that just makes it easy. The back of the heat pump. This is for your potable water that you're going to take with you. Fill it up there. It's your cable. This is your gray dump. So undo this, put a bucket or a basin down there, catch the water, and dispose of it properly. Here's your city water fill if you're staying in a park. Hot and cold outside shower. Back of the fridge, really just for service technicians. Your furnace exhaust, this is from the LP furnace, so this does get hot. That 30 amp power cord that was under the bed is going to tie in right here. And this is your water heater here. As we wrap back around to the front here, we do have an electric tongue jack, and we have these nice racks on the trailer when it's lowered down. Good place to store, carry bikes, or you can carry a kayak maybe there. I appreciate you taking the time to go over this trailer with me. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day.